So this is my pallet that I bought from liquidation.com. This pallet cost me a total of $1,300, and that's with the purchase of the pallet itself and also shipping it to my home. So me and my son here, we're getting ready to unbox it. As you can see here, had a little trouble getting it inside. Definitely need to invest into a dolly or a pallet lift for sure here shortly, because I'm killing my back. And my little helper here, not too much help. This is me trying to figure out how I'm gonna get all this stuff in here. And as you can see, the mosquitoes tearing up my son. Weird thing is, it's cold, a little cold for us in here in Miami, but it's mosquitoes still out. So yeah, trying to figure out where all this stuff gonna go in my overcrowded garage as it is. As you can see, I definitely need to clean up in here. Just wanted to make sure I got the pallet inside as quickly as possible. Like I say, in Miami, if you're from Florida, you never know. It'll be sunny one day, the sun will be out or whatever, and the next couple of minutes it could be raining on your block and dry on the next one. Dropping stuff, tearing up other items that I was selling before, that coffee maker. Need to get rid of that too. Like I was saying, the hardest part here is trying to condense this pallet and place it in, on these shelves I have. They're already loaded with Christmas items and tools and things of that nature. Going through and trying to check everything for quality, to try to get an idea too of what I have. This is when I made my list of, my inventory, but you're still trying to get an eye on it and say, okay, this is what they said it should be in the box. This is what it is. Right now, what I'm doing is organizing them by make. So, if I have cola or mowing, I have them all in the same area, so I know that, when I come back into the garage, I just grab that item from the area. They shouldn't be mixed up or put anywhere else different. Right here, two of the items that were in there: a faucet and something for the bathroom. And as you see, I made sure I hand those over to the wife. Every now and then I keep something from there. There's another item that went to her. And I keep something for myself if we need it or whatever. That's the savings, and definitely keep the wife happy, that's for sure. But the majority of this stuff is to be sold, because it gotta, get a return on my investment. Hopefully, you know. I'm not gonna lie, this is like my third pallet, and it's been going pretty good. I can't say it hasn't. You got to be smart about what you're getting. Here's a package here that's broken all the way open. That's one of the frustrating things sometimes about these pallets. You get stuff that's open like that, so parts are missing, and you really can't sell that for the price you want to. You have to reduce the price, and when you reduce, and that's also taking down from your overall return as well. But it is what it is. It comes with the territory, and you understand that's what's going to happen when you buy these pallets. It's kind of, you like your own store. You're going to have some things where, you're just going to miss. You're not going to make money on, and you have to find another spot somewhere else where you can, you know, cover that loss. Here again, some of the little smaller items there, just trying to work my way down to the bottom of this pallet to see exactly what's what going through them. Some of these items are not even in the original package that they should be in. So, and like I said again, you just want to make sure you keep them in the right area. You want to be able to look and see, when you're looking at your inventory, be able to put your hands on it and say, okay, this is there, this is here, and I can grab it without having to search for it or misplace it mainly. That's the main thing you don't want to do, is misplace these items. Because it's like I said, you want to make sure you're getting every dime back that you can. And losing things is just an easy way to miss out on money. As you see at this part, I'm slowing down. That's just fatigue setting in. I'm getting tired and getting a little anxious of, the whole day, whole work day, and then working after work, helping my son, coaching and stuff. So, you're getting a little tired here. So at this time, it's like, when you really have to pay more attention to what you're doing. You don't want to break something because fatigue and just drop it, especially with that last item I just put down there. That's a part of a sink, I want to say, or a toilet piece. So you want to make sure that you just getting so tired of where you're not paying attention to what you're doing. Again, that's money lost. You break something, hopefully you can try to sell it, but if you break it too bad, it's just trash. And I'm not no big store or anything like that, so I don't have money set aside for these type of items that can get broken in between trying to sell them.